This is iPhone 16 with an Apple Intelligence and the improved camera performance with a new button, camera control and action button, which allows you to be more... Well, first, let me be KA. Oh my god, look at this mess. Sorry, I'm about to move to a different place, different house for a bigger studio, so stay tuned for that. All right, how's it going, guys, and thank you for coming back to this channel again. If you're new to here, my name is Ken Sakatsu, who is a professional filmmaker, photographer and YouTuber. I have been creating promotions, content and artworks and reviewing tons of cameras and lenses. That is super important for this iPhone 16 because this is not just a smartphone. Usually smartphone is a smart phone, if you know what I mean. But especially when it comes to this iPhone 16, it got a beautiful and powerful camera performance and the Genius A18 chip inside. In the future, Apple Intelligence, AI, wow. For pro like me, if this has an amazing video and photo performance, that'll be fantastic. We're gonna use this as a second camera for behind the scenes, vlogs, and some casual photos. For beginners who want to potentially start shooting videos and photos for social media, or want to use this for casual content creation, is this iPhone 16 worth buying or worth upgrading from what you use right? I can't move it. I don't know if I can remove this or not, but look at this. Jesus Christ. So what was it saying? What the hell was it saying? Oh yeah, so yeah, is this iPhone 16 worth buying or worth upgrading from what you use? Although I don't know what you use, but please don't say BlackBerry. Let me handle it. Let me guide you to where you are heading to. Should you get this or not? Okay, first, before diving deep in the camera related topic, let's start from the design. So iPhone 16 has a vertical shaped camera while former 15 has it like this. It seems like it's for spatial video and photo, but I noticed this right away. But when you place it on the desk, it can be flat without a case because of this position of lenses. But forget about that. This aluminum body is beautiful, but still it feels pretty light, 170 grams, which is 1 gram lighter than iPhone 15. I got back to this iPhone since I ditched iPhone about like a year and a half ago, maybe. Its product design is amazing, I gotta admit. The biggest topic about the design must be this camera control. You can access to the camera immediately with this, and you can control camera settings with this too. Also, now normal iPhone 16 has this action button, which iPhone 15 Pro had it, not just 15. This is where you can apply the shortcut on it, so you can have the fast, easy access to the function, such as silent mode, a flashlight, or shortcut you like. And this time you have 5 color options. All look beautiful, but mine is white. Super clean. So, this is innovative. As you saw, this camera control brings you the super fast and easy shutter. See? iPhone. Press the camera control. Turn on the camera. Press the camera control again. And shutter. Actually, this is faster than general mirrorless cameras. I felt this is huge attraction. iPhone is something that you carry every single day. In that everyday life, you meet a lot of moments you want to capture. And this new camera control feature allows you not to miss the moment. I have been using this iPhone 16 since I got this, but I am taking pictures and videos more than I used to with a smartphone, thanks to this feature. And not only the speed, pressing the half shutter allows you to control the camera setting, and pressing twice shows you several options. So the function is awesome. But more than that, the usability is crazy. For example, when you control the aperture and the zoom, it is so smooth. The feel is so direct, and you can control them as you are using a mirrorless camera. Actually, you use your index finger to control a dial on a camera. So to me, who use cameras a lot every day, this move is so natural. This camera control gives you the immersive camera experience. But I gotta mention that if you use a case, its usability gets a little weak. I mean, this depends on the case, but if you use a thick case, I guess it's not gonna be that good for this camera control button. This is coming from iPhone 16. Wow. You know, I used to use Google Pixel 6a, which is a little bit old camera right now. So, you know, it's really fresh to see iPhone footage, but it's amazing. You know, I guess this hasn't changed since iPhone 15. So, yeah, it's not that new to, you know, original iPhone users, but to me, it's super fresh. You know, the normal iPhone 16 can shoot log, but still, I can't believe this is coming from the smartphone. Actually, normal iPhone 16 can shoot log, but still it shoots 4K up to 60 FPS, which can produce the slow motion. And the color is super natural without any editing. If you choose iPhone 16 Pro, you get more complicated options like a log video and Apple RAW photo shooting, which can maximize iPhone's camera performance. Here is iPhone 16 Pro, so stay tuned for that video too. But to me, this time, photography is super hot. Same as before, it got a 48 megapixel for the main lens and 12 megapixel for the wide lens. Also, you can do 10 times digital zoom. By the way, its autofocus is crazy fast. I heard 15 had only continuous autofocus for the main lens, not for the wide lens, but this time 16 has autofocus for wide lens as well as main lens, so that is massive evolution. But the basic image quality is not different. But this time 16 has the macro shooting mode, which allows you to get close to the subject so much like this. This brings you more potential and possibility for shooting. And also here is a brand new feature, spatial video photo shooting mode. Actually, this is for the app on Apple Vision Pro. I think this is for some kind of, I don't know, VR thing, 3D video photo. If you shoot things with this mode, you can record things 3D as if there is that space you shot. That era is coming soon, so thinking about that, collecting moments you want to share with your future is a good idea. You can throw back your past with a virtual experience. So this is what I really love about iPhone 16 series. Photographic Style gives you the rich and amazing shooting experience. Basically, it's like a filter. If you're Lumix camera users, it's like a real-time LUT. There are many styles as you can see. Left styles from the standard is mainly for the skin tone. You can change the color vibe, but skin tone is maintained clean. Right styles from the standard is for changing the color vibe completely. So if you want to shoot people with a good skin tone, you want to use those things. But if you want to make images more dramatic and cinematic, use those right styles. And you know what? Honestly, this dramatic style is #1 my favorite. It feels something like LUT for your pro mirrorless camera and maybe the color graded-ish image. I did a street photography with this iPhone 16 and dramatic style was so juicy. And also you can change the saturation and the tone with this pad. This gives you the very intuitive control. If you don't know anything about photography and editing, I am sure you can use it and you can enjoy the color. That is super important feature for this iPhone 16 series. And if you don't like what you shot, you can change and edit the style later. Select a photo you want to edit and hit the menu below, select style, and then you can pick whatever you want again. If you want to have a more leveled up photo, let's go editing like highlight, shadow, those stuffs. If you like that editing, you can save it and paste on other photos. Actually, I didn't expect this much. I knew iPhone could shoot high quality photos, but this is more than that. Not only high quality, also high versatility and usability, which can blend in your everyday life, but it brings you the joy of making things with a camera. I would be super happy if this can, you know, bring a lot of people to the camera world and make them want to shoot with a real camera. And next, let's talk about the audio mix, which I think it is a game changer for vlogging. Okay, iPhone can shoot amazing videos, right? But let me be honest, the audio sucks. I mean, you can use a microphone for that, but you don't want to use a microphone for smartphone. But this new feature, audio mix, changes everything. Once you record the video, select the menu and hit the audio mix. Now let's do some audio test. The new iPhone 16 has the new camera feature, which is audio mix. Basically, you can change the audio system, audio environment on the iPhone 16. For example, this is the standard mode. I didn't do anything, just a straight out from the camera, the pure audio that iPhone 16 originally record. Hey, how does this sound? This is standard iPhone 16. My name is Kensei Akatsu. The next one is in-frame mode. How does it sound? Good? I guess it's better than standard. Hey. iPhone 16. iPhone 16. I'm shooting this on iPhone 16. Although, I got iPhone 16 Pro. That was such a mistake. I forgot to cancel it. So next one is studio mode. I guess studio. This is studio mode. Hey. Although I purchased iPhone 16, but I forgot to cancel, and now I got iPhone 16 Pro. And also I am moving out. I'm moving to different place. It cost me a lot. In September and October, my wallet is screaming. This is studio. And next, this is cinematic mode. How is the difference? Hey, this is cinematic mode. This is a cola up, the Japanese gummy. I wanna eat this, but I left this in the car since when? I guess this has been in the car about a week, so I think I'm not gonna eat it because I don't know if I can eat this or not. So yeah, this is cinematic mode. Standard, in frame, studio, cinematic. So basically, standard is the original audio. In-frame mode can reduce sounds and voices outside of frame. So it'll be helpful when you shoot videos, at the crowded area. Studio can reduce the background sounds and reverb. It pretty much sounds like recording audio in the legit studio with a shotgun mic. Cinematic mode can put all the voices onto a front-facing track and leave environmental sounds in surround. Meaning voices come in front and other sounds come in the back, like movie style. So especially I liked the studio mode so much. That sounds familiar to me. If you use this type of microphone or this type of microphone, I say it's still not the same quality, but close. Definitely sounds crispy, and I think it's better than the camera's internal microphone. You can have this audio quality without a microphone. See, it is absolutely game changer for vlogging and casual social media content creation. This makes me want to vlog more. At the last, this is also important. Apple Intelligence. It's not directly related to the camera, but it will change our life dramatically in the future. If you are a creator, this will help your desk work that you never want to do, and instead you can focus on your creative works more. Even if you're not creator, your everyday life will be more convenient. This iPhone 16 series are made for that, for the coming future. I think it is a great idea to get ready for that with this iPhone 16 series. Okay, how was it? First time to talk about the iPhone in this channel, but I hope this helps you and I hope you enjoy. So I have been underestimating the smartphone, but now I changed my mind a little bit. Definitely it helps my creative works. I think I will use this for my YouTube video shooting, not as a main camera of course, but as a casual second camera. And I think I will take more photos in my everyday life, but if so, I think iPhone 16 Pro might be better for that. I bought it as well, but I haven't used this that much yet, so I don't want to make a solid conclusion here yet, but I am feeling like that. Because 16 Pro has a better camera performance and slightly bigger screen, I'm gonna make iPhone 16 Pro review and 16 versus 16 Pro video, and maybe 16 Pro versus mirrorless camera. So stay tuned for them. But if you want to capture your life moment a lot, I mean more than you used to, or if you want to make your creative life better, this iPhone 16 is totally worth it. Not just a smartphone, not as a camera, this is the creative life partner. But if you don't take photos, videos at all, you don't even have to upgrade to this. I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be, even iPhone 16. In that case, those are just a smartphone. Well, I am the smartphone beginner, so if you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comment below. What do you want for your life? What do you prioritize in your everyday life? If your lifestyle changes, the product you have also changes. iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, Google Pixel 9, Galaxy. No. What are you? Okay, this is it. If you have any question, just shoot me anytime, anywhere. And if you like this video, show me a thumb and hit the subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao.
Switch it up.